Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to completing the square with CLASSWIZ FX-570ex calculators. Before we start, let us recall back the standard form or completed square form of a quadratic function a x minus h squared plus k. We will get a minimum point hk if coefficient of a is positive, whereby we will get a maximum point hk if the coefficient of a is negative. Let's say I'm going to convert quadratic expression x squared plus 10x minus 9 in completed square form by using calculator CLASSWIZ. How are you going to do this? Firstly, you go to the menu button, you scroll down until you get a equation or function, you press equal sign and we choose polynomial of degree 2 because this is a quadratic. We input the quadratic expression into the calculator by pressing the coefficient of x squared is 1, coefficient of x is 10, and the constant is minus 9. And then we press equal sign, you will get the root of quadratic expression. But this value is not what we want. We want to find the maximum or minimum point of this quadratic expression. So we just press equal sign. We are going to get the minimum value of x is minus 5 and minimum value of y is negative 34. Now we can get our minimum point as minus 5 and minus 34, and we can easily convert the quadratic expression in the completed square form as x plus 5 squared minus 34. How about if you want to convert a quadratic expression, we have the coefficient of x squared not equal to 1. For example, we have 2x squared minus 5x minus 7. How are you going to use the calculator CLASSWIZ to do this process? So we repeat the same process and we input the quadratic into calculator by input the coefficient of x squared as 2, coefficient of x as minus 5, and the constant as minus 7. We press the equal signs 2 times until we get the minimum value of x as 5 over 4 and minimum value of y as negative 81 over 8. So that means we have a minimum point of 5 over 4 and minus 81 over 8. So we form in the completed square form. But we notice that the original quadratic have 2x squared and this one only have x squared. Now what you can do is that you just simply put a constant 2 in front of the bracket, and then now they are the same as the given quadratic in completed square form. Don't you think that it is very easy? Let me show you another example with cases that we have the coefficient of x squared which is negative. Let's say we have the quadratic of negative 3x squared, negative 17x plus 2. We just simply input the quadratic into the calculators. We press equal signs 2 times until we get the maximum value of x is negative 17 over 6 and the maximum value of y is 313 over 12. So that means that we get a maximum point of negative 17 over 6 and 313 over 12. So we can form a completed square form as this. But we notice that since the coefficient of x squared is minus 3, so we just simply put a minus 3 outside the bracket. So you are going to get the completed square form for this question